It will put oversight on the largely unregulated e-cigarette industry. Today, the FDA announcing new rules governing the sale of those e-cigarettes.
Use among adults has gone up more than 12% in the last 2 years. Our Dave Delozier is in the newsroom with more on what this means. Dave?
Yes, Eric and Susan, you know, preventing the sale of e-cigarettes to kids under the age of 18 is the key to these new rules. It will bring federal regulations into line with a Wisconsin law passed in 2012. From a federal standpoint, prior to today, there was little oversight of e-cigarettes.
Well, the simple answer is zero.
That's because when the FDA started regulating tobacco products, e-cigarettes were pretty much just a concept. That concept has now grown to a $3.5 billion industry of a product that we still know little about.
No, nowhere near enough. And the good news is the FDA and the National Institutes of Health is funding an extensive array of research that will allow us to do more.
Some of that research is being done here at the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Public Health. What we do know is use of e-cigarettes is growing among kids under the age of 18.
Last year, for example, 16% of high school seniors were using e-cigarettes, many more than were using regular conventional cigarettes.
The new FDA rules will address that by preventing the sale of e-cigarettes to kids under the age of 18. It will also require manufacturers to register with the FDA and will take a closer look at the product.
It also included provisions around reporting what's in the product. Because one of the challenges with e-cigarettes is we just don't know what is in them.
The new regulations will go into effect in 90 days to give manufacturers a chance to comply. It will provide oversight to what up until now has been without regulation.
What it does is really level the playing field. It says that all tobacco products, including e-cigarettes, should be treated similarly. We shouldn't sell them to children. We should know what's in them. We should be able to regulate them.
Now, the new FDA regulations will also regulate the sale of hookahs, pipe products, as well as premium cigars. But Eric and Susan, it really is the e-cigarettes that is getting much of the attention, especially when you consider that last year alone, 3 million middle and high school students were using them.
Yep, they're very popular, that's for sure. Dave Delozier reporting from the newsroom tonight. Dave, thanks.